The world of cybersecurity is changing. A new player has entered the game. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool for defense. Hackers are now using AI to enhance their attacks. This is where Hacker GPT comes in. Hacker GPT is an AI tool designed for hacking. It's a powerful tool that can change the way we think about cybersecurity. But what exactly is Hacker GPT? How does it work? In this essay, we will delve into the world of Hacker GPT. We will explore its functionalities and its potential impact on the cybersecurity landscape. We will also examine the ethical considerations surrounding its use and what the future holds for AI and hacking. Imagine a world where hacking is no longer a specialized skill. A world where the barriers to entry for cybercriminal activities are significantly lowered. Imagine a world where anyone with access to the internet can launch sophisticated cyber attacks. No longer would it require years of experience or deep technical knowledge. This is the potential future that Hacker GPT presents. An AI so advanced that it can perform tasks that were once the domain of highly skilled hackers. Hacker GPT is a type of AI known as a large language model. These models are designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the data they are trained on. It's trained on a massive amount of data. This data includes everything from programming languages to cybersecurity techniques, making it incredibly versatile. This data allows it to generate code, exploit vulnerabilities, and even mimic human interaction. It can write scripts, find security loopholes, and even engage in social engineering. Essentially, Hacker GPT can automate many of the tasks that hackers traditionally perform manually. This automation can make cyber attacks faster and more efficient. But Hacker GPT is not alone. There are other AI tools being developed with similar capabilities. It's part of a growing trend of AI being used for malicious purposes. This trend is alarming because it lowers the barrier to entry for cybercriminal activities. This trend is democratizing hacking. It's making it easier than ever for individuals with limited technical skills to launch cyber attacks. It's making it easier than ever for individuals with limited technical skills to launch cyber attacks. This democratization of hacking could lead to an increase in cybercrime, as more people gain access to powerful tools like Hacker GPT. The implications are vast and concerning, as it could lead to a surge in cyber attacks on businesses, governments, and individuals alike. The need for robust cybersecurity measures has never been more critical. As we move forward, it will be essential to develop countermeasures to combat the rise of AI-driven cyber threats. The future of cybersecurity will likely involve a combination of advanced AI defenses and traditional security practices. The rise of Hacker GPT is a wake-up call for the cybersecurity community, highlighting the need for vigilance and innovation in the face of evolving threats. Hacker GPT operates on the principle of machine learning. It learns patterns from the data it's trained on. This data can include programming languages, hacking techniques, and even social engineering tactics. One of the key functionalities of Hacker GPT is its ability to generate code. It can create malicious scripts, exploit vulnerabilities in software, and even develop new hacking tools. This ability to automate code generation significantly lowers the barrier to entry for aspiring hackers. Another powerful feature of Hacker GPT is its proficiency in social engineering. It can craft convincing phishing emails and create fake social media profiles. This can be used to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information. Section 4. The Arsenal: Other AI Tools for Hackers. Hacker GPT is not the only AI tool in a hacker's arsenal. In the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, hackers are constantly on the lookout for new tools and technologies to stay ahead of the curve. The integration of artificial intelligence into hacking has opened up a plethora of possibilities, making the digital battlefield more complex and challenging. Other AI tools are emerging, each with its unique capabilities. These tools are designed to perform a variety of tasks, from automating mundane processes to executing sophisticated cyber attacks. The diversity and specialization of these AI tools mean that hackers can now tailor their strategies to specific targets and objectives, increasing their chances of success. These tools further enhance the capabilities of hackers, making them even more formidable adversaries. With AI, hackers can analyze vast amounts of data at unprecedented speeds, identify vulnerabilities with greater accuracy, and launch attacks that are more difficult to detect and counter. The synergy between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence is creating a new breed of cyber threats that are more adaptive and resilient. Worm GPT is an AI chatbot specifically designed for hacking and programming tasks. Unlike traditional chatbots that are built for customer service or general information retrieval, Worm GPT is tailored to meet the needs of hackers. It can assist in writing and debugging code, automating repetitive tasks, and even generating new hacking techniques based on its extensive training data. It's trained on a massive dataset of code and hacking techniques. This extensive training allows Worm GPT to understand and replicate a wide range of hacking methods, from simple exploits to complex multi-stage attacks. Its ability to learn and adapt makes it a valuable tool for both novice and experienced hackers. This makes it adept at generating malicious code and exploiting vulnerabilities. Worm GPT can quickly identify weaknesses in a system and suggest the most effective ways to exploit them. This capability not only saves time but also increases the likelihood of a successful breach. AutoGPT takes automation to the next level. While many AI tools offer some degree of automation, AutoGPT is designed to operate with minimal human intervention. It can autonomously perform a wide range of hacking tasks, from initial reconnaissance to executing complex attacks. It can autonomously perform hacking tasks with minimal human intervention. This includes tasks such as reconnaissance, vulnerability scanning, and even launching attacks. AutoGPT's ability to operate independently makes it a powerful tool for hackers who want to maximize their efficiency and effectiveness. This includes tasks such as reconnaissance, vulnerability scanning, and even launching attacks. By automating these processes, AutoGPT allows hackers to focus on more strategic aspects of their operations, such as planning and coordination. This not only increases the speed and scale of their attacks, but also reduces the risk of human error. Freedom GPT, on the other hand, is an open-source AI model that prioritizes user privacy. In a world where data privacy is becoming increasingly important, Freedom GPT offers a solution that respects user confidentiality. It allows users to develop and deploy AI-powered tools without the risk of their data being exposed or misused. While it can be used for ethical purposes, it also presents an opportunity for hackers to develop and deploy AI-powered hacking tools without fear of censorship. The open-source nature of Freedom GPT means that it can be customized and adapted to meet the specific needs of its users, making it a versatile tool for both legitimate and malicious purposes. The rise of these AI tools is transforming the landscape of cybersecurity. As hackers continue to innovate and adapt, the need for robust and proactive defense mechanisms becomes more critical. Understanding the capabilities and limitations of these AI tools is essential for both defenders and attackers in the ongoing battle for digital supremacy. In conclusion, the integration of AI into hacking is a double-edged sword. While it offers new opportunities for innovation and efficiency, it also poses significant challenges for cybersecurity. As we move forward, the key to staying ahead in this digital arms race will be a combination of advanced technology, strategic thinking, and continuous learning. Section 5. A new age of cyber threats. The emergence of AI-powered hacking tools like Hacker GPT marks a new age of cyber threats. These tools have the potential to significantly disrupt the cybersecurity landscape. One of the most significant impacts is the increased accessibility of sophisticated hacking techniques. Hacker GPT and similar tools democratize hacking by making it easier for individuals with limited technical skills to launch complex attacks. This increased accessibility, coupled with the automation capabilities of AI, will likely lead to a surge in the volume of cyber attacks. Organizations and individuals alike will face a barrage of threats, making it increasingly challenging to defend against them. Section 6. The ethical tightrope of AI in hacking. The use of AI in hacking presents a complex ethical dilemma. While AI itself is not inherently good or bad, its application in hacking raises significant concerns. The development and use of AI-powered hacking tools raise questions about the responsibility of developers. Should there be regulations in place to govern the creation and distribution of such tools? How can we effectively prevent the misuse of AI for malicious purposes? Another ethical concern is the potential for AI to exacerbate existing inequalities. AI-powered hacking tools could give more power to those with malicious intent, potentially widening the gap between attackers and defenders. Section 7. The future of hacking, an AI-powered landscape. The integration of AI into hacking is still in its early stages. Researchers and developers are just beginning to scratch the surface of what AI can do in the realm of cybersecurity. The potential applications are vast and varied, ranging from automated threat detection to predictive analytics that can foresee potential vulnerabilities before they are exploited. However, it's clear that AI will play an increasingly prominent role in shaping the future of cybersecurity. At conferences and in data centers around the world, Experts are discussing and developing AI-driven solutions to stay ahead of cyber threats. The race is on to harness AI's capabilities to both defend against and launch cyber attacks. On the offensive side, AI will likely be used to develop even more sophisticated hacking tools. These tools could be capable of autonomously identifying and exploiting vulnerabilities, launching highly targeted attacks, and even adapting to changing defenses in real time. Imagine a scenario where an AI-driven hacking tool can learn from its environment, continuously improving its methods to bypass security measures. These tools could be capable of autonomously identifying and exploiting vulnerabilities, launching highly targeted attacks, and even adapting to changing defenses. The implications of such technology are profound, potentially leading to a new era of cyber warfare where AI battles AI in a high-stakes digital arena, and even adapting to changing defenses. This dynamic adaptability will make AI-driven attacks incredibly challenging to counter, as they can evolve and improve with each attempt, learning from failures and successes alike. On the defensive side, AI will be crucial in combating the evolving threat landscape. AI-powered security solutions will be needed to detect and respond to AI-powered attacks, analyze vast amounts of data to identify threats, and even predict future attack vectors. These systems will need to be as dynamic and adaptable as the threats they are designed to counter. AI-powered security solutions will be needed to detect and respond to AI-powered attacks, analyze vast amounts of data to identify threats, and even predict future attack vectors. The ability to process and analyze large data sets in real time will be a game changer, allowing for quicker and more accurate threat detection and response. Analyze vast amounts of data to identify threats, and even predict future attack vectors. Predictive analytics will enable security teams to anticipate and prepare for potential attacks, rather than simply reacting to them after they occur. This proactive approach will be essential in staying one step ahead of increasingly sophisticated cyber threats, and even predict future attack vectors. The future of hacking and cybersecurity is undoubtedly intertwined with the development and deployment of AI technologies. As both attackers and defenders leverage AI, the landscape will continue to evolve, presenting new challenges and opportunities for those on the front lines of this digital battlefield.